This two-door, three-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.